Morning, morning, morning. Another day. Getting ready to go into the workout class. Get that in. Get my workout on. And get the day going. That's what I'm about to get ready to go off in here and do. I had got me some rest because I'm trying to cut back on trying to stay up and it's being on my phone pretty much and stuff, watching shows and stuff and all that, because I have to break that. But I did good by just going ahead and going to sleep last night instead of staying up doing that. But I'm getting ready to go in here and get this workout in though, and I will check back in later. Hello, I'm back. I'm off in here. Gonna get some pruners for me to do what I need to do in class tomorrow. And the lady was so nice to show me over here where the pruners and all this stuff is at. I'm not worried about trying to get something like that, because that's when you doing some serious gardening right there. You getting down in there. That you get something like those. But I've been looking at these, and I'm going to go ahead on and get these right here. This is 2-in-1 because we need to get pruners and we need to get a knife. And this is some 2-in-1. You can see, you can take it apart and you can use it as a knife when you take it apart. So I'm going to get these. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Get my gloves and stuff from when I move to my house. Yeah, it's gonna be, I have all my gardening stuff. Those look so nice. I'll come get me one of these. Put me some steak and potatoes. Yes, steak and potatoes on it. Well, I came in here to get what I need to get. The pruners. I'm not finna get to looking at too much of nothing else, because stay in the store too long, you spend too much money. So we're going to take our exits. Okay. I'm in my master gardening class today, and we are going to do plant propagation. That's what we're going to go over today. And today we had to bring me a bottle of water. I was going to get a soda, but I didn't. We had to bring a box, a 2-liter bottle. I drank my soda up and I kept my bottle, because I know I was going to need it for class. And I got these that I got 2-in-1 with pruners and knife. That's all we needed for class. And this is at the little stations at the table. Everybody got this. Gotcha. Find me a pen real quick too, because I forgot to put the plant propagation and go over that and everything we're gonna need to do to deal with our, got the seeds. That's one. That's another one. And that is fennel, whatever. And here is the pot of soil or whatever. But yeah, that is what my day is starting off to be. I'm here in class and everything. Hey, I am back at the house. I didn't get to close out the vlog yesterday when I went to go exercise and everything, and I had stopped by Home Depot and got what I needed for a class today, which is what you seen, where I was doing with the, we was doing the plant propagation or whatever with the plants and all that stuff. But I meant to close out yesterday, but I forgot to close out yesterday, so I'm going to go ahead on. This is a continuation from yesterday to today, and I was in class all day today. I had to get up and down. I sit at the very back on the end. I don't want to sit in the middle or all in between nobody, because honey, I be getting up and down. But just want to come back and close it out. That's pretty much what my day consists of. I'm getting ready to do some spring cleaning. I'm finna get in my closet and get it in, clearing out stuff. That's probably what I need to do. I'll probably do like a closet cleaning video. Yeah. Clearing out space in my house. I know that will make me feel better. You know, when you have stuff. I don't have a whole bunch of stuff where it's just like cluttered. It's not, because I can't stand that. I can't deal with stuff being just jam-packed and everything. But I can't deal with the clutter. But I'm going to still go ahead on and just out with the old, in with the new. Get rid of pretty much most of the stuff that I have in there, because getting ready to do that. I guess I can just, like I said, I do that as a cleaning video. But that is pretty much what my day consists of today. Like I said, from yesterday, from me exercising to today to going to class. And I hope everybody is having a good day. And if your day didn't start off great, you need to make it great. Okay?